hear the sound of the birds calling, the birds calling? Can you hear the sound of the birds singing?
Still at the top of the game, and I just hop in that booth. They say what's happening, baby, they say what happened to you. Yeah, I've been cocky too, I can talk it, but walk it too. Getting high as two cockatoos, if you could, you be cocky too. A lot of these dudes hating, there's nothing that I can do. Cause lies be super smooth, the truth too hard to chew. I guess niggas wanna be heard, guess niggas wanna get work. Guess people wanna be right, cause niggas wanna be first. Some niggas never see their blessings, really that is the curse. Welcome to Sesame Street, I'm grouchy, I know these big birds. Shopping for new arrives, purchase I fly the coop. Birds of a feather flock together, check the color in the roof. I get uncomfortable quick as hiccups, so I'm a recluse. I'ma be truthful, them bitches love me like I'm a recruit. Ooh, Ray Allen and Spike Torronson. After this album, I'm back on 09. My heart it isn't out in my balconies in the clouds. And if cannabis is divisive, my vice is a vice grip. I'm tight. Read me wrong, read me right, I bet I still cook. Some my guys, something for books. Nerdy town that I slide and I'm still good. They love me in the shy like I'm Phil Brooks. I'm Batista in DC and I be seen in Boston. And you see me, but might not see me out Boston. Yeah, he caught a charge, 100 G for the law firm. If you beat up a rapper, what you gon' see is a songbird. Look, telling that niggas still tipping, it ain't giving Mike Jones. They giving out props like that is my goal. As I defy logic, see these suicidals. That's up another type of hotline. For Lauren top 5, I holler back when rappers stop lying. I'm gone.
Can you hear the sound of the birds calling?